Have you ever talked to someone who made you feel understood, like they really got you? Here is the uncomfortable truth. They probably didn't care about you at all. They were playing a game called the question game. And today, I am going to teach you how to play it. Most people think conversation is about talking. They wait for their turn to speak, and then they unload their story, their opinion, their problem. Result? The other person gets bored, or annoyed, or both. But there is a small group of people who do the opposite. They ask questions, and not just any questions, specific questions. They understand something most people don't. The person asking the questions controls the conversation. Here's how the game works. 3 simple rules. Rule 1. Start open, then go deep. Don't ask, "How was your day?" That gets you fine. Dead end. Ask, "What was the most interesting part of your day?" Now they have to think. Now they have to open up. Rule 2. Listen for the gold. When they answer, they will drop a small detail. A person's name, a place, a feeling. Grab that. Ask about that. Rule 3. Silence after the answer. Remember the silence trap. Use it here. After they answer, stay quiet. Look at them. Wait. They will feel the need to fill that silence with more information. Deeper information. Let me show you the difference. Normal person. "Hey, how was your weekend?" Good. Conversation dead. Person playing the question game. "Hey, what did you do this weekend that actually made you smile?" Now watch what happens. They pause. They think. They might say, "I went to this small cafe with my cousin." Boom. You caught something. You ask, "Your cousin? Are you close?" Suddenly, they are telling you about their family, their childhood, their life. And they will walk away thinking, "Wow, I really connected with that person." They won't realize you barely said a word. Now here is the raw truth. This game works. It works really well. People will trust you. They will like you. They will tell you things they haven't told anyone. But here is the question. Why do you want them to open up? If you use this to manipulate, to use their words against them later, that is dark psychology. That is poison. But if you use it to actually understand people, to see who they really are, that is power. Real power. The question game is simple. Ask. Listen. Stay silent. Most people are dying to be heard. Be the one who hears them, and you will never struggle in a conversation again.